Okay, Rani, madam, I would like to ask, like, the your team is working on the project. Like, if I see you are addressing everything, you are addressing the problem, you are addressing the solution, you are going deep into what the causes are, you are going deep into how to change the impact, this big circle that you are trying to address. Can you talk about how your team works? Like, if anyone wants to learn how this entrepreneur is is functioning, can you share how this big whole revolution that you are trying to bring it, how is it on ground? Like, how are you guys doing?
Right now, Nayanji, this is a vision. The entire thing has not been implemented. We are moving step by step. The baby steps has already begun. Uh, just now, I just saw a question that how did I, got in touch with the community. So this
Yes,
whole
yes.
process began way back in 2015. It began in 2015 when I was still in Delhi, when I was still working with the UN. I had this feeling that I need to do something for my hometown. So out of that need, out of that feeling, and I'll share that same feeling that I have. All people are doing this today, and that is why you are in this forum today. So that need to do something for Bhagalpur began, and I started giving little bit of time. Like say 15 days a month, a week first, and then little bit I kept on increasing the time, and now I'm full time into it. We have developed this vision, ये हमारा vision develop किया हुआ है. As you are seeing that हम लोग वो silk value chain के बारे में जो बात कर रहे हैं, हम लोग जो beekeeping के chain के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that has not yet been implemented. We are right in the, we are just in the baby steps basically. We have
Okay.
begun doing the thing, और वो हमारा vision जो आपको दिख रहा है वो आपने आज देखा. So how we are doing it? So this we are not doing it as अकेले हमसे नहीं होने वाला है. This is not us who would be doing each and everything ourselves. What we are trying to do is we are adding partners. We are doing partnerships. बिना partnership के नहीं होगा यहाँ पे. What we are doing is, for example, if हम लोग honey का value chain लेते हैं, तो we have got people in हमारे साथ जो कोर्समेट्स थे, जो हम लोगों ने साथ में किया था, they all showed interest, and there we have found a group of like minded people who want to do these things. तो इन्होंने इस चीज को लिया है कि yes, कुछ एरिया में हम लोग करेंगे, उस एरिया में हम करेंगे, यहाँ पर हम लोग what we have, what we want to do is we want to train, we want to get the women trained. We want to get the women trained जो अलग अलग SHGs है, उनको क्लस्टर्स में हम लोग उनको ट्रेनिंग दिलाएंगे. खुद जहां पॉसिबल होगा वहां हम लोग खुद ट्रेनिंग करेंगे, जहां पर पॉसिबल नहीं होगा वी विल ट्राई एंड गेट देम टू BAU सबॉर. एंड उन लोगों को ट्रेन करा के वी आर गोइंग टू एनकरेज देम कि आप लोग अपने घर घर में स्टार्ट कीजिए. एक एक एंटरप्राइज की तरह उनको करने की जरूरत नहीं है. थोड़ा थोड़ा उन लोग करें. एक महीने में 4 बोतल निकाले, एक बोतल में एक महीने में 5 बोतल निकाले. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज इन क्लस्टर्स को हम लोग उनका हम लोग मार्केटिंग में हम लोग सपोर्ट करेंगे. So what we are doing is we are skilling them, we are building the capacity, and then once they start producing, we are trying to bring them in a cluster, और उस cluster से हम लोग निकाल कर उसका marketing करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So यही कॉन्सेप्ट जो है सब में अप्लाई कर रहा है, चाहे वो कंपोस्टिंग हो, चाहे वो सिल्क वैल्यू चेन हो, चाहे वो नेचुरल डाइंग हो. We ourselves are not doing anything. What we are doing is building the capacity, pressure, what do you say, उन लोग को मोटिवेट करना, मोटिवेट करने के बाद उनको, फॉर एग्जांपल इंडस्ट्री को हम लोग प्रेशराइज करना चाहते हैं. शुरू में हम लोग उनको ट्रेनिंग दे देंगे, बाद में होगा तो हम लोग को जहां पर लीगल उसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी, हम लोग बोलेंगे कि इफ यू आर थ्रोइंग द केमिकल डाइज डायरेक्टली इन द रिवर्स, तो वहां पर हम लोग को जहां पर प्रेशर की जरूरत पड़ेगी वहां पर हम लोग नीडेड प्रेशर भी अप्लाई करेंगे. सो
Okay.
अल्टीमेटली हमारा गोल है कि चंपा हमारी साफ हो, फ्लो हो, और उस चीज के लिए हम लोग आपको पहले सारा ऑप्शंस दे रहे हैं, तरीका बता रहे हैं, स्किलिंग कर रहे हैं, और उसके बाद नहीं होगा तो वील ट्राई एंड फाइंड अदर वेज. दिस इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म विजन नयन जी, दिस इज नॉट अ शॉर्ट टर्म विजन. ये हमारा 10 साल का चल रहा है.
Yeah, the good thing that I like about your team is, unlike the other NGOs that distribute something on some occasion, you are addressing the problem. You are going for the skill development. You are going for uh, the uh, the tapping on the resources. So that's a unique thing, and that's why it's a very uh, good thing that I can learn from you. How do you think that your work that your team has done on Champa can be replicated to other rivers in the region? Is there any possibility to
Absolutely,
do that?
absolutely. It can be and it should be replicated. Uh, this is a kind of a field lab for us. When we say resilience lab, it is that we are trying to experiment our ideas, our learnings on the field. And what I am doing right now is a 20-year experience that I have gained at various organizations at small I work with Navdanya, with Vandana Shiva. I worked with United Nations. So I've worked with all kind of organization. I've also taught at University of Delhi. So it is the academic learnings and right on field things, and also working with the donor organizations such as UN. तो इन तीनों का, इन सब का experience को encompass करके समझ कर I have started working on these plans.